Hello, this is Rohit and we will be solving the problem age limit today. Its difficulty level is cakewalk and it requires observation. It appeared in Starters 42. So chef wants to appear in a competitive exam, and to take the exam there are following requirements. Minimum age limit is X, that is age should be greater than or equal to X. So this is important to note. And also the age should be strictly less than Y. That means his age should be less than Y and not equal to Y. Chef's current age is A, and we have to find whether he is currently eligible to take the exam or not. Coming to the input, the first line will contain a single integer t, which denotes the number of test cases. And then for each test case, we will have three integers, which are x, y, and a. X is the minimum age, y is the upper limit of the age, and a is chef's current age. And for output, we have to print yes if chef is eligible to take the exam and no otherwise. Now coming to the sample test cases. For the first test case, we have x is equal to 21, y is equal to 34, and chef's current age A is 30. So we have to check whether chef is eligible to take the exam or not, and for that the minimum age requirement is x, that is the current age should be greater than or equal to x and A should be strictly less than y. So both these conditions should hold simultaneously for chef to be eligible to take the exam. So we check whether 30 is greater than or equal to 21 or not. So this condition is satisfied, and we have to check whether A is less than y or not. So A 30 is less than y, which is 34. And as both the conditions are satisfied, we say that chef is eligible to take the exam, and therefore the answer is yes. Now coming to the second sample test case, x is equal to 25, y is equal to 31, and chef's current age is also 31. We have to check whether these conditions are satisfied simultaneously. So x is less than or equal to a, so 25 is less than or equal to 31, and is a less than y. So in this case 31 is not less than 31, 31 is equal to 31. So therefore both the conditions aren't satisfied simultaneously, and therefore we say that chef isn't eligible to take the exam, and the answer is no. For a third test case, x is 22, y is 29, and a is 25. So we have to check again for the conditions. We check whether 22 is less than or equal to 25 and 25 should be strictly less than 29. So we see that both the conditions are satisfied, and therefore the answer is yes. For our fourth case, x is 20, y is 40, and a is 15. So we check whether 20 is less than or equal to 15 and 15 is less than 40. So in this case, this condition is satisfied, but this condition is not satisfied. And as both the conditions should hold true simultaneously, so this is not the case, and therefore we say that the answer is no. And for our final test case, we have x as 28, y as 29, and a as 28. So we have to check this. This is true and this is true. Both the conditions are true, and hence the answer is yes. Now let's see what our algorithm would look like. We first read three integers, x, y, and a, and we check whether the condition is satisfied or not. And the condition for chef to be eligible to take the exam is a should be greater than or equal to x and a should be strictly less than y. So we just check after reading the input. we check x should be less than or equal to a, and a should be strictly less than y. So this should be true. The part which is inside f should be true for chef to be eligible, and if it satisfies, then we print yes, otherwise we print no. So that's it. This is our algorithm, and we'll see how we can implement it. We read the integer t, which is the number of test cases, and then we call the function test cases t number of times. And in the function test cases, we take our three integers x, y, and a, we read them, and we check a condition that x should be less than or equal to a and a should be less than y. So the AND is important in this case because both the conditions should hold true simultaneously, and if it is true, then we print yes, otherwise we print no, and then we break a line. The time complexity in this case is constant because we are just performing constant time operations, that is comparison between two integers. Also, the possible errors that can be made in this question is messing up with the conditions, that is taking x less than a, or maybe taking a also less than or equal to y. So we have to keep that in mind. So I hope you understood the solution. Thank you for watching.